All right, let's start at the beginning. Just writing the equation down. You get 0.3, 5x minus 2 minus x equals 10. I'm going to do this one a little differently than it's done in the key, by the way. I'm going to multiply both sides by 10. So, you realize the right side's pretty easy. Just 10 times 10, which is 100. The left side, some people get confused by this, but it's 10 times the first term, and then 10 times the second term over here. Well, it's going to be 3, and then I get 5x minus 2. I associate the 0.3 with the 10, by the way. Then minus 10x. I'm going to distribute now, get rid of the grouping symbol. You get 15x minus 6 minus 10x equals 100. Let's see, 15 minus 10 is 5x minus 6 equals 100. I would add 6 to both sides. You get 5x equals 106. And then I would divide both sides by 5. And I would get x equals 106. Whoops. 106 over 5. Now, granted, I would say that's a good answer. But unfortunately, so a lot of people say, well, they spoke in decimals. You should speak back to them in decimals. Let me go through that with you. So 5 into 106. Well, let's see, 2. That gives me 10. I get 6. That's 1. That's 5. 10.2. So you could also write down 21.2. All right, so I could write down x equals 21.2. Or if I prefer, 106 over 5. I actually prefer the 106 over 5. Now, I want to point out, that's the answer that most people would write down for this one because it's a decimal problem. Sage writes down what looks like an exact answer to me. By the way, 21.2 is exactly the same as 106.5. But when people start putting decimals down, people often think there's an approximation being done. Thank you.